we show how to fold your canopy to store easily in your carrying case or bag. First, you want to match up each end of the tent. Think of a triangle. You want the corners of the tents to make up the bottom edges, and the top of the tent makes up the top of the triangle. Now grab one bottom edge of the triangle and fold it till it meets the opposite edge of the triangle. Grab all the tent sides that you just folded over and fold them again till you reach the end of the print. It should now look like a rectangle with a point on the top. You want to fold the rectangle again as shown till it's compact enough to fit into your bag. Our tents are great for trade shows, events, parties, weddings, craft shows, and more. They last in the most demanding environments and can be easily transported from one show to another. Order today by visiting our website. All our custom printing is done here in the USA and sewn in-house. Remember to like our videos and subscribe for more trade show content.